going down on Yeehaw Duck. Subscribe to that channel.
Okay.
Yeehaw Duck, okay? Okay.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe to that channel. As you've seen by the title, I am doing an unboxing. This is Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. I gift this to myself and it came Christmas Eve. I didn't open it till today because it's Christmas. I already knew what it is, but I was so excited I had to open it with everybody else. But now let's get into it. I haven't opened anything really. It just spit everywhere, bro. Oh. I've been wanting this damn thing ever since I've seen everybody else on YouTube with the clear camera. But this ain't bad. I'm using my iPhone. It's 7. But anyway, it came with a bag. If I can find the link, I got it from Amazon. It was a bundle thingy or whatever. But yeah, if I find the link, I'm put it in the description. This is a carry-in bag for it. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's just the zipper making that noise. I'm like, is there a gift in here for me? I'm geeked. Ooh, okay, it's just some space. There's some space. It came with this tripod, or one that you can close. It's pretty nice. I'm geeked. Dude, I really wanted this. Oh, I'm about to be out here. An extra battery pack from VLOGMAS. A cleaning kit with a little mini table tripod, a USB reader. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh. Okay, a camera cleaning thing. $64 gigabyte SD card. HDMI cable. Oh my god. I don't know if this came in the box. I really don't know if this came in the box or if somebody played a prank on me. I seen somebody else eating those. I don't know. I had to wait till everybody calmed down just to shoot the fucking video. But I was so geeked, I was ready to open it like everybody else opening their shit, playing with it. I'm like, I'm waiting to do my unboxing video. I'm gonna wait patiently. No. They out here breaking their shit, doing everything, playing with theirs happily, and I'm like, I can't shoot a video, too much noise. But now they all in bed. They done broke their shit. You know how that goes for the black families. You get the cheap ass shit, then it breaks quick. They already broke their shit. And now I'm not gonna break this, but I'm about to play with it. Woohoo! Let's get into it. I don't know about that chocolate though. Okay, it's the Canon G7X PowerShot Mark II. Open this bad buddy. I ain't finna get all technical with this shit. I'm not doing the specs. I don't even know that. I'm just using this because I heard all the YouTubers talking about this is the best. It got the power cord for the charger. A fucking book. You already know them come in every electronics box. A battery charger. Woohoo! The wristband thing for the camera. The battery. The sweet, sweet battery. Give me that juice. This motherfucker about to have that juice. And then The best. The best. Let me turn this lighting down. Let me turn this lighting down best. This is the best. By the way, this hat, I know this hat doesn't have anything to do with my outfit. Single, ready to jingle. But baby, okay? This shit fucked up. This ain't coming off. Finally, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ooh, y'all see that?
Oh, I won't let you go.
Y'all see that? I am geek. My videos are about to be fire, fuego, fucking fuego. Battery, yeah. Shit is about to be fucking fuego. Hopefully this battery ain't dead. Hopefully this battery ain't dead.
2 hours later.
I was so damn geeked I lost my SD card. Found it though. Let's get into it. I'm so glad it calmed down. Everybody's in bed. I'm hungry. I'm about to be tearing up the house. Tearing up the house. Tearing up that food. Drinking everything before the family get here. I'm getting early plates while everybody sleep. Could I not fucking open this?
2,000 years later.
Alright. Now I'm returning back. I'm recording on my MacBook because my my phone storage is full. My other camera is dead. And this is all I got. And I'm ready to use this, so I'm getting into it. I don't care if my hands are ashy. I just got out of bed. It's Christmas morning. Ain't nobody even here yet. Alright. I got the battery in there. I put some card in there. I'm gonna turn this baby on. So you can see it. Here, I'm gonna flip it up so y'all can see it. Oh my god. It's there. It's on. I can't believe this is true. Damn, this fucking camera sucks. Let me set this up and then I'll get back with the rest of the video. Alright, we are back. I got everything set up. As you can see, I put the thing on here so I'm not like holding it. But I'm about to record so we can do a comparison. It won't be much because I'm recording on my MacBook, so we'll see. Wait. What just happened? What just happened? Alright. Let's do this. Recording on this. Hey, this quality is dope. Y'all can definitely tell a difference. I'm trying to get my face in here. Let me see. Is this all the way zoomed in or is it? I mean, no. There we go. I'm like, why the fuck? Y'all let me know. My battery's dead, but y'all let me know. I like this quality. I really had something better prepared for this video, but I was so geeked to just take it out. This is so nice. Stay tuned. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Like, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Sorry, I'm all ashy. But I like this. I look so much better on the camera than in real life. This is crazy. Alright, let's close it out. So that was it for that. I'm gonna charge the battery up, play with this later on today, take some pictures. It is Christmas. But I'm so happy. I finally got my baby. My baby, we finna go everywhere. This is the journey, the start. Before that, I was using my GoPro or my phone. I got an iPhone 7. Or my neighbor, my friend, she'll help me out with videos. She has a camera, so. Other than that. But now I got my own, so we up. We up. We up. We up. Alright. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. I'm about to hit the hay. I'm really hungry. And I really want to eat up all the food. I'm gonna edit this video. Then I'm going to bed. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, and happy holidays. One more thing before I leave. Hit that subscribe button. I'm out.